Sir, can I start the session with your permission, sir, please?
Sure.
Yeah. Sir, at the outset, I welcome you all the esteemed members of the Academic Council, and I thank you for your kind acceptance as a member of the council meeting, despite of the pandemic situation, as well as to the pressing your schedule you have. I sincerely hope that your precious advice will shape the academic structure of the Adi Shankara to the globally accepted level, sir. I once again wholeheartedly welcome you all and thank you for your valuable time to be spent, sir. Today, the discussions contains the profile of the institution. Why I am putting the keep the as an agenda of the profile of the institution is the most of the academic council members are new to this organization. It's my duty and responsibility to convey the institution profile, credentials of the institution, constitution of the academic council, agenda of the 8th academic council meeting, and also proposal subject expert to civil engineering, EEE, mechanical, ECE, CSC, CSC with artificial intelligence, CSC with data science, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, MBA, MCA, and also I'm given the names of the university nominee, which is already given by the university. Profile of the college. Sir, Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology is a constituent college of Adi Shankara Group of Institutions, running under the agency of Aishwarya Vignan Education Society, which is established in the year of 2001 by the veterinary educationist Dr. Vanki Penchalaya, sir. The college offers 7 UG, 9 PG, and 3 diploma programs with an intake of 1,404 per year. College received autonomous status from the UGC in the year 2013. Again, it is confirmed on the autonomous status in the year of 2019, sir. Credentials of the Adi Shankara institution so far, it is an autonomous institution, accredited by NAAC with B++, accredited by NBA in 2009, and also renewed with 2015 for the 3 branches ECE, CS, and EEE. Recognition of 2F and 12B by University Grants Commission, New Delhi. Association with the Cisco Network Academy. We are active part of Institution Innovation Council of MHRD ASIT. We also established center with an Amravati Knowledge Center with a 3-star status, recognized with MSME host institution from the academic year 2019-20 onwards. And also it is a great privilege. The Adi Shankara is received Atal Community Innovation Center, which is funded by Niti Aayog Government of India, the worth of 2.5 crores, sir. Geographical advantage of the institution, it is only to enlighten the people who are new to their organization. Sir, the institution is situated in the surroundings of the few industrial clusters, sir, like Sri City, Krishnapatnam Port, Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Manakur, sir, and Renigunta Industrial Cluster, sir. The institution is adjacent to the Chennai-Kolkata highway within 80 kilometers away from Tirupati Airport and 120 kilometers away from the Chennai International Airport, sir. Sir, we are constituted the academic council as per the UGC, led by the UGC guidelines. All heads of the department, senior faculty members in the academic council members, sir. So we recently conducted we are reconstituted of our governing body, and also we conducted the governing body meeting on July 4th of 2020, sir. In the esteemed governing body suggested 4 names for the academic council as a subject expert, sir. Sri B.V. Subbarao, sir. He is a member and also general manager of SHAR, Sriharikota. Dr. K. Ramakrishna, sir. He is a Dean Quality, KL University, Guntur, sir. Dr. T.V. Suresh Kumar, sir. He is a director, IQAC, Geetam University, Vizag. Dr. D. Shobharani, madam. She is a professor and control of examination of Institute of Aeronautical, sir, which is located at Hyderabad. Now, with the permission of the DAP, sir, can I go through their profile, sir, please? Sir, is there, sir? Sir.
Yeah, continue, Mohan.
Yeah, please, sir. Satyanarayan, sir, are you okay, sir?
Yeah, yeah. It's okay.
Sir, Sri B.V. Subbarao, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Sir, Sri B.V. Subbarao, Scientist G, General Manager of Range Tracking System, HDSC, Sriharikota, SHAR, Sriharikota, sir. Then Sri B.V. Subbarao received BTech degree in ECE from Nagarjuna University, MTech degree in NIT Warangal, sir. He is now working as a scientist D in SHAR, Sriharikota, having total 34 years of experience. Joined in ISRO in 1987, sir. Having experience in telemetry and telecommand and tracking system, he designed telemetry and radar systems in SHAR. Presently, he is a general manager for radars and optical tracking system, and he is the chief of tracking for the various ISRO missions like PSLV, GSLV, etc. Sir. Received Space Gold Medal Award in 2012 and also received ISRO Team Excellence Award in 2011 and 15, sir. Sir, having very close association with this institution since 10 years. And also he is the instrumental part to uplifting of our academic as well as the research activities, sir.
Mohan Garu.
Sir, sir. Sir, Dr. K. Ramakrishna, sir. Sir is a Dean Quality of KL University. Dr. K. Ramakrishna, sir, obtained his doctoral degree from Andhra University in Mechanical Engineering with a heat transfer specialization. Later, he did his postdoctoral from New Mexico State University, USA, in the area of heat and mass transfer. He is a fellow of Institution of Engineers and a life member of the many technical bodies and associations. He has a vast teaching and research experience of 30 years, along with 3 years of industrial experience. He has a produced 4 doctoral degree and another 4 scholars.
Sorry for the interruption.
Sir.
Sorry for the interruption, Mohan.
Sir, please, sir, kindly.
Yeah, now what we are looking for the governing members of the institution, isn't it?
Sir, the governing body is conducted in the month of 4th of July 2020, sir. Governing body is governing body is nominated 4 members, sir. That 4 members is among the 4 members. The second name is Professor K. Ramakrishna, sir. Now it's my duty to present their academic profiles in front of you, sir. Please.
This is regarding for what?
Just they are the members of the academic council. Just I would like to convey, sir, where they are expertise, sir.
Okay.
Can I proceed, sir, please?
Yeah.
Then he has published more than 60 articles in Scopus and Web of Science. His present H-index is 11 and has more than 400 citations. He is also a good teacher and has won many times the Best Teacher Award. He is known for the expertise in the teaching thermodynamics and heat transfer. He has authored 2 books on these subjects. He also won the prestigious President of India Gold Medal through Institute of Engineers India. At present, he is working as the Dean Quality in KL University. And in fact, the KL University has served as various positions like Registrar, Dean Academics, Control of Examination, Dean of Science and Humanities, Head of the Department. Under his leadership, University has got NAC A++, or is an instrumental person behind to received NAC A++ to the KL University and also KS Diamond rating. He is also another authorized NAC assessor and also acted as a member in many state government nominees, sir. Sir, Dr. T.V. Suresh Kumar, sir. Sir is having very long association with MSRIT institution. Now he is presently associated with Geetam University, Vizag, sir. Sir is a principal investigator for the mentoring of NAC accreditation aspirant institution to promote quality assurance in the higher education under the UGC PERMOS scheme, sir. Subject consultants preparing for the standard operating policy document in NAC Bangalore, working as a director IQAC at Geetam University, worked as a National Assessment Accreditation Council in preparing standard operating policy document, Open University Manual and DVV processor. Then worked as a head Department of Computer Science Application since 2016 to 2019, sir. Worked as a registrar and also he acted as a principal. Then he's also member of the Technical Advisory Committee on Science and Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, Medicine, India Institute Bharat Vignan schemes under DST, sir. And also he is instrumental person to involving of to preparation of that national advisor scheme, sir. Then visiting faculty for the several renowned industries such as Intel, Honeywell, SAP Labs, Wipro Technologies, SCA Technologies, DRDO, Indian Institute of Science, and various universities and academic institutions, sir. Carried out a funded research project from CA, SSA, DRDL, DRDO, and UGC, and a consultancy project from 7H groups of the company, MS Ramaya Memorial Hospital and MS Ramaya Dental College and Hospital, sir. good number of publications in peer-reviewed journals and conferences of about 127 papers, sir. Currently is in working as a blockchain technology for the smart grid and application DST. Experiences in NBA NAC processor. Is also instrumental person to behind MSRIT to got NRF ranking in the since 2016, sir. Coordinator for the Institute Eminence of the application of MSRIT. Coordinator for the committee inspections, NBA program coordinator, certified Coursera of data science. And also he is a well-known versatile person on outcome-based education as well as to the Bloom's taxonomy, sir. Definitely he is an expert agent, will help our institution to uplifting of the academic standards, sir. So Professor D. Shobharani, madam, sir. Now she is a professor as well as to the control of examination of Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, sir. She is an expertise on international collaboration, sir. Dr. Shi Shobharani, madam, has done her BTech from JN University, JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad in 1991, MTech from JNTU College of Engineering, Anantapur, 96 with a specialization of electrical power systems, and PhD from Sri Venkatesh University, Tirupati, sir. She has a vast industrial experience and teaching experience of about 28 years in reputed institutions and colleges. She has to her great number of research papers in various journals and conferences. She has an active member of various professional societies like IEEE, ISTE, IE, and IETE, sir. At present, Dr. Shobharani, madam, is working as a professor of electrical electronics engineering and control of examination at the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad, sir. She is also taking care of the international affairs, sir, in the college and has visited reputed universities from countries like USA, Netherlands, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia, sir. She is the only person having a collaboration with the internationally and also send the students for the internship to the other countries, sir. And also they are introduced dual degree program is effectively implementing in the Institute of Aeronautical Hyderabad, sir. Now we are coming to the actual picture to today's discussion on the agenda, sir. Sir, nominees of the university, sir. Professor S.V. Satyanarayan, sir. We are heartily welcome you on behalf of the Adi Shankara Group of Institutions, sir. Sir is the Director, Academics Planning, JN2A, Anantapur. Professor C. Sasdar, sir. Exceptional member of the university, sir. Director of Evaluation, JN2A, Anantapur, sir. Then University nominee. Now the Shankar sir is retired, sir. Now we already sent letter to the DAA. We are awaiting for the name suggestion from the university, sir. Nominee of the university, sir. Member Secretary myself. Now today I am delivering the Academic Council minute agenda, sir. Please. Main agenda for the 8th Academic Council meeting, sir, to nominate Board of Studies members to the different disciplines like CSA, EEE, Mechanical, other departments, sir, and any other item with the permission of the chair, sir. Sir, now I am proposed 3 to 4 names, maximum, minimum 3 and maximum 4, sir. As a subject expert name, sir. Now I am kind consideration of all academic council members would like to suggest as per the guidelines of the UGC, you please kindly suggest 2 members out of these minimum 3 and 4, sir. Now I am the proposed subject experts for the BOS Civil Engineering, sir. Dr. I.V. Ramana Reddy, sir. Sorry, the professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Sri Venkatesh University, Tirupati, sir. Dr. V. Sai Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Geetham University, Vizag, sir. Dr. Amarendra Kumar Sandra, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, IIIT Idipurupaya, sir. For the kindness and the exploring of their expertise, I would like to say the profiles of the 3 members, sir. Dr. I.V. Ramana Reddy, sir, presently working as a professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SV University. His immense love towards the research and teaching made him to produce more than 15 PhD scholars and also published more than 100 research articles in international and national journals, sir. He worked as in various key positions at SV University, sir, Tirupati. Dr. V. Sai Kumar, sir, presently working as an associate professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Geetham University. He completed his doctoral from NIT Surathkal, sir. He published more than 20 international and national journals. He completed 2 funded projects sponsored by UGC and DST. He worked in various key positions at Geetham University, sir. Dr. Amarendra Kumar Sandra, presently working as an associate professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, RGUKT, Pulivendala. He completed his doctoral degree from BITS Pilani. He published more than 50 international and national journals, sir. He worked as an administrator officer and as well as to the director at RGUKT Pulivendala. Now I am requesting the members of the academic council,
Mohan,
except, sir.
Mohan,
sir.
That is not RGUKT Pulivendala. It is IIIT RGUKT Idipurupaya.
Sorry, sir. And I will correct it, sir, please.
Yeah, because that there is a lot of difference. It is 60 kilometers away from Pulvendra.
Sorry, sir. I will correct it, sir, accordingly, sir, please. Sir, now I propose the 3 names in the civil engineering department, sir. Requesting the members of the academic council kindly nominate out of 3, 2 members, sir, please.
That's fine.
Hey, Shivu.
You show me the again.
Sir, please, I will show it, sir. Document.
Mohan,
Sir,
why don't you choose some other from IIT Tirupati?
yeah, kindly suggest if you have any, sir. Yeah, civil engineering is not there from IIT Tirupati, sir.
No, it's there.
Civil engineering, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe they are started, sir. Okay, I will check, sir, please. Definitely, sir.
Otherwise, because the Ramana Reddy Garu is structures,
Okay.
you choose somebody from water resource or soil mechanics. You do one thing.
Sir.
Okay, you just continue. If I get somebody, I'll get back to you.
Yeah.
Ramana Reddy is okay.
Okay, sir.
Remaining 2, one is associate professor in a private college.
Sir.
Another one is also associate professor in IIIT, no?
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, if you go with, it should be a blend of for different specializations. Then you will have a good curriculum.
Okay, definitely. Sure, sir.
Yeah, Ramana Reddy Garu is very fine from structures.
Sir.
By the end of the meeting, I'll suggest some other name. Let me think and I'll get back to you.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
sure, sir.
Yeah, Mohan Garu, do you have separate list for industry list?
Yes, sir. We have separate list industry, alumni, sir.
Okay, okay, proceed.
Okay.
Sir, Nagendra Parasar, sir. Hello.
Sir, he's not there, sir. Sorry, he's not there, sir.
Oh, they're not joined, huh?
Yeah, yes. No,
Who are
sorry,
all-
is not
who are
in
all-
academic.
Okay. Who are all joined?
Yeah. Sir, sir, now I am introducing my chairman, Dr. Vanki Penchale, sir. Sorry, is also joined for this academic council meeting. Sir, sorry for the interruption for the members of the academic council. Sir, Professor Satyanarayan, sir, sorry, joined as an exception of university. Professor Sajdar, sir, from JNTU Anantapur, sir. Dr. Ramakrishna,
Welcome,
sir,
sir.
from, sir. And Dr. Ramakrishna, sir, Dean Quality from the KL University.
Namaskaram.
For-
Sir, welcome, sir. All welcome.
Namaskaram. Baunara.
Avana, sir.
Shashidhar.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Sir, తెలుసు సార్ మీ గొంతు మాకు బాగా రికార్డ్ అయిపోయింది సార్.
So, take care of your health. Be careful.
We are taking. Okay, sir.
Subbarao, sir, from Sriharikota, sir. Shobharani, madam, from Institute of Aeronautical, Hyderabad, sir. K. Ramakrishna, sir, from KL University, sir. Dean Quality, sir. Chairman, sir, okay, can I proceed for the further, sir, please? Yeah. Sir, can I go ahead with the other departments, sir? Satyanarayan, sir?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, now, sir, proposal subject experts for the BOS in EEE. Revise. Sir, Dr. K. Sivakumar, sir, Professor, IIIT, Hyderabad. Dr. D.M. Vinod Kumar, Professor, NIT, Warangal. Dr. G.V. Maruteswara, Professor, SV University, Tirupati. Dr. T. Devaraj, Professor, Sri Vidyaniketan, Tirupati, sir. Now I would like to show the profiles and subject expectation of the members of the proposed members, sir. Dr. Dr. Sivakumar K, working as associate professor in electrical engineering, IIT Hyderabad, sir. He received his PhD from
మోహన్ ఎంత మంది కావాలి దీంట్లో?
only 2 members, sir.
సో బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసి
Please. Yeah, we'll go ahead.
So you go ahead with 1 and 2.
Go ahead with 1 and 2, sir.
Yeah, 1 and 2 is fine.
Okay, sir.
సో వీళ్ళలో ఎవరైనా కాదంటే మారుతేశ్వర్ సార్ నేర్చుకో సరిపోతుంది.
Okay, sir. Dr. K. Sivakumar.
1, 2, otherwise 3. Okay.
Yeah, 3. Northeastwara is also good, sir.
Yeah, that's what. 1 and 2, otherwise 3. Okay.
Okay.
And
Noted.
and K. Sivakumar Mohan.
Sir.
K. Sivakumar, you are written as associate professor in the biodata. Here you
Yes,
are
sir.
writing as a professor. Please check it.
Yeah, we'll check it, sir. Please, sir. Sorry. Yeah.
So you go ahead with 1 and 2. If not, then you go with 3.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Can I proceed to next department, sir?
Yeah, please proceed, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can go to the next department, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Sir, proposal subject experts in BYS in mechanical engineering, sir. Dr. G. Amba Prasad, Professor Mechanical Engineering, NIT Varangal, sir. Dr. B. Anjaney Prasad, Professor Board of Studies Chairman, JNTH Hyderabad. Dr. H.D. Patel, Professor Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Raipur, sir.
I think you can go with 1 and 2. Inviting the SD Patel from NIT Raipur may be difficult.
Okay, sir. Yeah, we are confirmed with the Dr. G. Amba Prasad as well as to Dr. B. Anjaney Prasad, sir. Okay, sir.
Rishi, is it okay? Rishi.
Okay, please
Fine,
proceed.
fine, sir. Proceed.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Go to
Now
the
we'll
next.
go to another
Go to
department.
the
Yeah.
next.
Yeah. Proposal subject experts for the BYS in ECE, sir. Dr. M. Ramasubba Reddy, Professor IIT Madras. Professor N.V.S.N. Sharma, Professor NIT Varangal. Dr. G. Srinivasulu, Professor S.V. University, Tirupati, sir.
Okay. Second one is there, sir. Second one, NVSN Sharma, is there now in NIT Varangal?
Yes, sir.
Because I heard he has moved somewhere.
Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. This is Professor Dhananjay, HODC. On Wednesday, he has appointed as director for IIIT Tiruchi, sir. Just this Wednesday only.
So Ram Subbareddy, sir?
No, sir. NVSN Sharma garu appointed as IIIT director.
Sir, 1 and 2 are better, sir. 1 and 2 are better.
But two రాలేదు కదా ఇప్పుడు. Still in the capacity of director, he may come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is actually he is deputed, sir. Deputed. He is actually professor
Then it's
of.
1 and 2 is fine. 1 and 2 is fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, we'll move to next department, sir. Proposal subject experts for the BYS in CSE department, sir. Dr. R.B.V. Subramaniam, Professor Department of CSE, NIT Varangal. Professor Y. Ramadevi, Professor and Head of the Department, CBIT, Hyderabad. Dr. R. Madan Mohan, Professor Department of CSE, Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, sir.
కాదు మోహన్,
Sir.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రైవేట్ కాలేజెస్ అయితే ఏమైతుందంటే అంతా మీ లెవెల్లోనే ఉంటారు.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటే
నేను చెప్పేది నువ్వు సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు కొత్త కోర్సులు ఏదో పోతున్నావు, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్.
సారీ ఇంటరప్షన్ సార్, దానికి నెక్స్ట్ పెట్టాను సార్. ఒక్కసారి సిఎస్సి విత్ ఏఐ, సిఎస్ విత్ డిఎస్ మొత్తం ఐఐటి పెట్టాను సార్. ప్లీజ్ సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్
ప్లీజ్.
I think one is this Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, where it is?
Sir, it is in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. It is an accredited by NBA, NAC, autonomous.
Then you go ahead with 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Proposal subject experts for the BYS in CSE Artificial Intelligence, sir. Dr. G. Ramakrishna, Professor Department of CSE, IIT Tirupati. Dr. G. Jayaraj, Professor Department of CSE, Pondicherry Engineering College, Pondicherry. Dr. C.H. D.V. Subbarao, Professor Department of CSE, SV University, Tirupati, sir.
1 is compulsory, 2 and 3 your choice from my side.
Sir, Satyanarayan, sir. Sir.
Yes, you can. In one you can choose compulsory. From 2 and 3, 2 is more preferable than 3.
You
Okay.
just talk to your subject, I mean HOD, and you decide.
Yeah, madam, which one you feel comfortable, madam? Head of the department, CSE, madam.
Not comfortable.
Yeah, subject related. Yes, sir.
They should be subject related, and they should give you good input.
Good inputs. Yes, yes.
For physical presence and for inputs, Professor Subbarao sir is convenient because he's from SV University, Tirupati.
Yeah, then fine, you go with him.
Okay,
Then
sir.
you go with me.
1 and 3.
We'll confirm within BOS members in the CSC Artificial Intelligence, Dr. G. Ramakrishna and Dr. C.H. D.V. Subbarao, sir. Now, propose the subject experts for the BOS in CSC Data Science, sir. Dr. Kalidas Yeturi, sir is an assistant professor, Department of CSC, IIT Tirupati. Dr. Y. Radhika, professor, Department of CSC and Director of Academic Affairs, Gitam University. Dr. M. Naresh Babu, assistant professor, NIT Silchur, Khajar District, Assam. Sir, why I am keeping here is the assistant professor name, sir. They are well versed with the emerging areas like artificial intelligence as well as to data science, sir. Please.
But problem is that coming all along the way from Silchar to Gudur, that will be a problem, no?
Yeah, he is the native of Andhra, sir.
Okay. So then it's, see if 1 and 3, okay, it's comfort.
They are an expertise in data science, sir.
You can think that you will attend, then it is 1 and 3, otherwise 1 and 2. It's up to you.
Okay, sir. We'll confirm with 1 and 3, sir.
Please take the opinion of Satyanarayan sir also.
Yeah, it's okay. 1 and 3 is okay. 1 and 3 is okay.
Okay,
Mohan.
Sir.
1 and 3 is okay. 1 and 3 is okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Proposal subject experts with the BOS in English, sir. Dr. D.S. Kesavarao, he is a professor, Department of English, NIT Warangal. Dr. Sumakir, madam.
Sorry, sir, to interrupt. Before we move on to the next department, computer science AI, you had suggested Subbarao sir, but he's
yes,
also in Tirupati and IIT Tirupati. Isn't the IITs better? Is what my concern is.
Madam, Dr. G. Ramakant, sir is selected 2 names. They are nominated 2 names, madam. Dr. G. Ramakrishna as well as Dr. C.H. D.V. Subbarao.
Okay, okay. Oh,
2 names, madam.
2 names. Okay, okay. Just it out. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, proposal subject experts for the English, sir. Dr. D.S. Kesavarao, Professor, Department of English, NIT Warangal. Dr. Sumakiran, Professor, Department of English, SV University, Tirupati. Dr. K. Narasimha, Professor, Department of English, EFLU, Hyderabad, sir.
I think 1 and 3 is fine.
Okay, sir.
And you ask the opinion of your people, English people.
So, any suggestions from the other members of the academic council, sir? Okay, we confirmed with 1 and 3, sir. Dr. 1 and 2, Dr. D.S. Kesavarao and Dr. Sumakiran, sir, please.
1 and 3 or 1 and 2?
1 and 3, sir. Okay, sir. 1 and 3, sir. Proposal subject experts for the BOS in mathematics. Dr. G.R.K. Acharya, Professor, Department of Mathematics, NIT Warangal. Dr. G.S.S. Raju, Professor and Principal, Department of Mathematics, JNTU, Pulivendala. Dr. P. Vasudeva Reddy, Professor, Department of Mathematics, Andhra University, Vizag, sir. Mathematics.
Here there is a technical problem, Mohan.
Sir.
Our university people or affiliated college faculty people are not eligible.
Okay. The second name is not eligible. Yes.
Yeah, you go with 1 and 3.
Okay, sir. We'll confirm with sir. Any other? Okay. There is no option. That's why we are confirmed with 1 and 3, sir. Dr. G.R.K. Acharya and Dr. P. Vasudeva Reddy.
There are no other options here.
Okay, sir. So, proposal subject experts for the BOS in physics, sir. Dr. Murthy VRK, Professor, Department of Physics, IIT Madras. Dr. L. Ramamurthy, he is a retired professor from Department of Physics, SV University, Tirupati. Dr. Allam Srinivas Rao, he is a professor, Delhi Technological University, New Delhi, sir. He is a native of Vijayawada, sir, that he would able to come to attend the BOS meeting, sir, Dr. Allam Srinivas Rao.
So, 1 and 3 is fine, but VRK Murthy is now at VIT Amaravati, not at IIT Madras.
Sir. 1 and 3, sir.
Murthy, sir. He is a senior professor retired from IIT Madras.
Yes, sir.
Now he is at VIT Amaravati.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah, 1 and 3 is okay.
1 and 3, okay. So, says there, sir? Sir.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Proposal subject experts for the BOS in chemistry, sir. Dr. G. Rangarao, Professor, Department of Chemistry, IIT Madras. Dr. D. Srinivasulu, Professor, Department of Chemistry, SV University, Tirupati. Dr. A.G. Damu, Professor, Department of Chemistry, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, sir.
One and two.
Choose one and two, right?
Okay, sir. Confirmed. Proposal subject experts for the BOS in MCA, sir. Dr. A. Rammohan Reddy, Professor, Department of Computer Science, SV University. Dr. Maliga Hussainaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, VSU Nellore. Dr. C. Madhusudan Rao, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, Tirupati, sir.
Rammohan Reddy sir retired ayyaru kada?
Retired ayyaru, sir. Yes, sir.
మరి అక్కడ ఎట్లా మీకు వీళ్ళు కంప్యూటర్ చాలా మందిని సిఎస్సీలు అంతమందిని తీసుకుంటున్నారు కదా?
అవును సార్.
మళ్ళీ ఎవరినో వాళ్ళు పెట్టేసుకొని మళ్ళీ దీన్ని ఎక్కడో చోట క్లబ్ చేసేయచ్చు కదా, ఎందుకు సపరేట్?
అంటే ఎంసీఏ అక్కడ తీసుకో. ఓకే సార్, సరే సార్. అయితే ఒక
మెంబర్ ని జాయింట్ గా పెట్టేసుకో, నీకు సరిపోతుంది కదా.
ఇఫ్ యూ ఓకే సార్.
మోహన్
సార్ ఉండొచ్చా సార్? సత్యనారాయణ సార్ అట్లా
సార్ చెప్పేది బెస్ట్ కదా, వైబుల్ కదా.
కరెక్ట్ సార్.
అలా ఇప్పుడు ఎంసీఏ సపరేట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కనుక అయ్యేటట్లయితే దే షుడ్ హావ్ ది డిఫరెంట్ మెంబర్స్, బట్ ఎంసీఏ కెన్ బి షోన్ యాజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్.
Yeah, both they can be clubbed together.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Okay, sir. We will take in consideration of a common member. Yes, sir.
Right. And one more thing, Mohan, 3 is not eligible again here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So instead of going with 1 and 2, maybe you can choose one member if you want here, and you can club with the computer science.
Sure, sir. Okay, can I proceed to next department, sir? One is confirmed. Second with by the will club with other CSC, sir, please.
Right.
Proposal subject experts in for Board of Studies in MBA, sir. Professor Sujay Nair, Professor Management Studies, Vikram Simpapur University, Nellore. Dr. T. Srinivas, Professor Dean, Department of Commerce Management and Law, Yogi Vemana University, Tirupati. Mr. T. Rajendra Prasad, Executive Director, KSSPL, Krishnapatnam Port, Nellore, sir. Why you kept Rajendra Prasad name, sir? Now we are in autonomous college having flexibility to design our own curriculum. Now we are already last semester, last academic year, we introduced port management, sir. That's why we are taking consideration for the design of the curriculum. We are introducing his name, Rajendra Prasad, sir. Yeah.
Then you want to take 3, and out of the 1 and 2, you can choose 1.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We'll confirm with the Professor Sujay Nair and Mr. T. Rajendra Prasad, sir.
So check with the other members also.
Sir, suggest, sir, and other members.
Fine, proceed.
Okay. Sir, this is the university nominee of various departments, sir. Sudarshan Rao, sir, Civil, Vijay Kumar, sir, now for EEE, Venugopal Reddy, sir, Mechanical, Sumalata Madam for ECE, Channared, sir, for CSC department, sir. Dr. V.B. Chitra Madam for the English, Raju, sir, for Mathematics, Tyagarajan, sir, Physics, Dr. G.V. Subbareddy for Chemistry, Dr. A.P. Sivakumar, sir, MCA, Professor M.L.S. Devakumar, sir, for MBA department, sir. Besides, we are already nominated for the industrial as well as to the alumni, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you one and all for your valuable time spent for this academic council meeting.
Yeah, Mohan.
Sir.
Tea snacks and పంపిస్తే అవుతాంబా.
Sir, tea snacks, sir. Maybe chairman sir is best to give, sir.
Electronic tea, electronic sweets ఏమన్నా.
Yeah, virtual tea snacks.
Virtual tea snacks.
Thank you. ఉన్నారా సార్ ఇంకా? సత్యనారాయణ సార్ అంతే కదా? ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Yeah, I have few things to tell you, Mohan.
Mohan, sir, చెప్తారు వినండి.
The first thing is you have to conduct the academic council meeting twice in a year. Last year you are not conducting. Last year any academic council meeting is not conducted.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And tomorrow, if autonomy team is going to visit, this is going to become one of the problem for you.
Yes, sir.
And the second thing is because you have got the new courses now.
Yes, sir.
Before going for the BOS meeting, I suggest you wait for some time to get the information from the government of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, sir.
Don't conduct the BOS meeting in hurry now.
For emerging areas or for all, sir?
For all.
Sir, but our third and final year students now in R18 regulations, sir.
For them, you can conduct it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Followed by, I come to you with the syllabi as well as to the academic regulations, sir.
For 2020, for the students who are going to join in 2020, the government of Andhra Pradesh is having some other plan.
Okay.
And I don't know when they are going to tell us, how they are going to tell us. So till that time, you wait. If you don't get any information, then you can conduct the BOS meeting and you can frame the course structure as well as syllabus for the students who are going to join in 2020.
Okay, sir. Now I keep hold for the R20 regulations and syllabus, sir. Now I proceed with the R18 BOS as well as to the regulation amendments, sir.
Right. And that's correct.
Yeah. With your convenient, the same I would like to approve the same with your esteemed presence, sir, academic council, sir. If it is done for the next year properly, then coming week we'll come to you, sir, please, for the approval and the ratification of the minutes of the syllabus.
But the problem is third year and the fourth year is already classwork is started as per the JNTU.
Yes, just only few amendments and the syllabus, sir. Syllabi.
I mean, that's what I'm telling. Already third year classwork as well as fourth year classwork we have started. You have not yet started now? You have not yet started?
We are started, sir, and Monday onwards. We would be same, we ratified in our BOS as well as to the academic council, sir, please.
No. How you are going to conduct the classwork when we don't have the syllabus as well as the structure with you?
Now we are going with what you call fundamentals and the introduction of the existing one, sir. What you followed in our 6th, sir, please. Yeah. Because
that may be permitted for the first year student, but that is not permitted for the third year and fourth year student, because the time for the third year and fourth year students is very, very short. And you have to...
So it's delayed because of what would be thought for the ratification of R20 as well as to the R18, so that's why it became delayed, sir.
Okay. So that is the third. And one more thing, Mohan, because now you know very well, the role of academic council is not just picking up the, BOS members and looking at the regulations. The purpose of the academic council has to guide you for the coming year. And they should know the progress of your institution for the past 1 year or 2 years or so. And now you have a very good academic council members, and you have to extract the benefits by their presence. So I request you to present the progress of your institution for the last 1 year to the academic council for the next meeting.
Definitely, sir. It's a value-added vote of today's meeting. Besides of the ratification of the BOS as well as to their regulations, we will put in front of you for the all progress of this since 1 year, sir, please.
Because we have very good members in your academic council, and you can utilize their experiences, and they can guide us how to run the institution, and their suggestions will go a long way for the benefit of the institution.
Yes, sir.
In turn, will benefit the students.
Yeah, admit, sir, and definitely we will follow your instructions, sir.
Yes,
so we'll implement it, sir. So, we'll implement it and we'll strive like that, sir, please.
Right. So this is what my suggestion is. Maybe you can listen from the new academic council members, because who are coming from the industry, and they can give us a better remarks.
Yeah. Sir, now I request other members of the academic council, sir, Ramakrishna, sir, TV Suresh Kumar, sir, just say hello, few words.
Yeah, sir has rightly pointed out, the purpose of academic council meeting is not only to introduce the members, but you have to keep on discussing the pros and cons of your policies that you are going to adopt in your initiative. And that too, in the academics part, whether you have included the latest technology, or what kind of MOUs you are entering with industry people, and how you are creating an all-round developer, and how you are developing the skills among the students, all those things are very important. So I think in future, when you are conducting the meeting, you will come prepared with all those details. So in case of any necessity, we will give our suggestions how we can go ahead, so that you can also climb the ladder step by step, and you can also make your students feel good about your institute. Today, the major problem is the employability and skill development. The entire country is working on developing a skilled person. So whether those skills related to education 4.0 incorporated in your syllabus or not, so you have the autonomy to revise the syllabus and to upgrade the syllabus. You can shoulder that responsibility. You can revise the syllabus. You can introduce content in the syllabus without much changing the subject. At least another 20% you can have an add-on, so that it will fetch the students to cope up with the present situation and they meet the demands of the industry. So these things we can have a detailed discussion, and as sir rightly pointed out, our presence will be useful only when we contribute in that direction. I hope in the next meeting we will have such a kind of fruitful discussion, because as you said, yesterday also I have asked you about the agenda item. As you said, you are going to only introduce now. The next meeting will be very fruitful one, I expect. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I have been associated with your institute for the past 10 years. I came to your institute as a teacher training person on invitation from your ex-director. And afterwards also we have met number of times. I know in and about your institute, how you are progressing. And I am sure that I will be able to contribute for further growth of your institute. Thank you for giving me the opportunity and selecting me as a member of your board. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice inputs and suggestions. Sir. Yeah. Sir, Dr. TV Suresh Kumar, sir.
Good afternoon, all. First of all, I thank Mohan, Director, and Chairman of Adi Shankara, Penchile Garu. I know him. 2 points, quick points. One is, good afternoon, Sachinayana Garu.
Namaste, sir. Ela unnaru?
Bagunnanu, sir. So I am also one type of advisor to that NAC JNT Anantapur. Anyway, coming back to our business, what sir told is correct. There are changes. Government, why changing Andhra Pradesh state government is there is a change in national education policy, and the proposal is maybe rolled out by 21 academic year, or they are expecting January also. Anybody is having guts to implement, they can implement. So the draft, not a draft, the discussions are going on. They invited for any suggestions from the public. So that point you keep in mind. That means 21 academic year, you have to follow what are happenings in NEP, National Education Policy, because including accreditation also, there will be changes after 2 years. Accreditation body also. Second point is these emerging areas. Emerging areas, you have to show a different way of subjects, not like a CSE subjects as it is. So you please take care of that one and have more realistic project based, because majority times data science, all these require data. Please understand that data getting is some sources are there, but in Indian context, real data is not that much available. So these are things when emerging technologies you are incorporating, see the reality of the contents of those subjects and accordingly. So hopefully next meeting we will have further discussion on this. Thank you one and all.
Sir,
thank you, sir.
Sir, want to say something, sir. Raman, sir.
Spotlight Subbarao,
sir. Sir, you can, sir. Subbarao, sir, you can speak.
Yeah. Sir, good afternoon. Penchile Garu and others. Congrats to Adi Shankara institutions for maintaining good rapport in this area. And coming to this board of studies, sir, it should be really they should bring out a very good syllabus useful for the students after coming out. Actually, nowadays we are going for the quantum technology, sir. So now ISRO is also looking for quantum radar and quantum communication, which is having very good high SNR and very good accuracy and resolution in the data also. So we are looking for that. Definitely USA is doing better. China also claimed some 1 kilometer radar they have claimed for quantum technology, quantum radar. So I request academics, okay, in physics or somewhere, you should introduce this quantum technology, sir. So quantum principles and all those things, particularly communication, sir. In the satellite communications, we are looking for quantum communication. Surely within some ISRO may come into that line within 5 years, I am hoping, or it may take some 10 years also. But definitely it is a good subject. That is one thing, sir. And second thing, now FPGA and all those things now, really they are outdated nowadays. So we have to think a good subjects and practical things also in the FPGA type of things. Better than that, I request the professors can look into that type of subject, sir. So this is my basically one stress management also should be there, sir, for the students. They should not lose the tempo, and then they should have to face any eventualities in the world. For that also, a stress management type of subject also should be there. So this is my
essential for faculty also.
Thank you.
Nowadays, stress management is essential for faculty also. So better you introduce some training programs for faculty.
Faculty also important because they so many.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Subbarao garu, do you know Nagendra Rao garu, Bangalore?
Sir?
Nagendra, G. Nagendra Rao.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm retired here, sir.
Retired, yes. He is now
yes.
in PCT University.
Sir, ఆయన తిరుపతి, ఆయన బెంగళూరులోనే సెటిల్ అయ్యారు సార్.
బెంగళూరు తెలుసు సార్. ఈజ్ వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు మీ, నోన్ టు మీ వెరీ వెల్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ శివన్ కొడుకు మా రామాయలో చదివాడు ఎంటెక్. మీ చైర్మన్ గారు అబ్బాయి
ఎస్ సార్,
ఇస్రో చైర్మన్ అబ్బాయి రామయ్య కాలేజీలో చదివాడు ఎంటెక్.
ఎస్ సార్, కరెక్ట్ సార్.
VLSI, బట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ నైస్ పర్సన్. మీ చైర్మన్ ఆయన ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ లేకుండా ఎదగాలని చెప్పి మేమే ఆశ్చర్యపోయినాం. సో
కరెక్ట్ సార్.
Sir, thank you, sir. Definitely, while preparing of the syllabi, we are keeping in mind all these things like quantum mechanics to introduce in the physics department. It is a part. Definitely consider your inputs while preparing the syllabus, sir. Now, I would like to, Madam Subbarani, Madam, something.
Yeah, very good afternoon to all. I am very glad that you have been nominated as Academic Council member at Adi Shankara College of Engineering. Like as the other members suggested, like you would have explored, you would have shown your progress. I think I heard that a lot of development took place in the college with respect to students and also faculty. Many students were sent to internships to various industries. So all that if you would have shown, we would have been very happy. Okay. And also, like you can add few more points related to students' progress in their results, how the results. So if you would have add all such points, even we would have got a chance to tell you the modifications or whatever changes that we can make. So we would have had a very good conversation in all those topics. Okay. So I heard that a lot of developments are taking place for the students. So keep it up. So do send the students for this industrial internships, which are really benefited to the students. And I wish you all the best. Keep it up, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. That whereas comes to the next academic council meeting, I will keep all the progress. What happens is 1 year.
One minute. Result analysis could cheppandi adi better kada. Konni sir result analysis so easy kada.
Yes, sir. Next academic council meeting, I will keep all the points of what the progress in terms of the student, administration, as well as the faculty, the progress, where it's an institution is going to be taken the lecture, what are the inputs are going to be taken, implement, that everything I will keep in front of the academic council, sir. Next meeting, sir.
Mohan Garu.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir, sir, please, sir. Sir.
Only one small suggestion.
Please, sir.
Before the next committee meeting,
sir,
you should prepare the detailed content or the curriculum as per the new regulation policy.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prepare and circulate to each and every governing body members and board of studies members all together.
Yes, sir.
And let them also draw their attention and remarks and suggestions from them.
Sir.
By the time the next board of studies meeting happens,
academic council, sir.
Academic council happens, you should incorporate it.
Definitely, sir. This meeting main agenda to nominate subject experts, sir. Next meeting, as per your suggestion,
discussion on that day.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely.
No, circulate to everybody in advance.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sir, any conclusion remarks from the members of the academic council, sir?
Mohan.
Sir.
One more important point is, because now you are revising the course structure and syllabus for the third year.
Sir.
And keep one point in mind.
Sir.
That English is the most important thing.
Sir?
English.
Okay.
Because the students who are joining in maybe Nellore and other places, they are coming from the rural area.
Yes,
their
sir.
communication skills are very much important thing. And
Yes,
keep
sir.
one subject of English in this curriculum.
Definitely,
in
sir.
The third year.
Yeah,
in the
we'll
third
introduce.
Year.
Yeah.
Right.
We will introduce as an audit course or value-added course, sir.
No, not added course. It should be a compulsory course.
Compulsory course. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Mandatory course. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Now I am request the principal of Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology, Professor N. Sese, sir, to give his vote of thanks of today's meeting, sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all of you, sir. I would like to thank our beloved chairman, Dr. Vanka Penchalaya Garu, for his valuable suggestions. Like he has given an excellent input, that when we are preparing the detailed curriculum, so this has to be circulated well in advance to all the members of board of studies as well as academic council, so that there will be a good inputs and suggestions and maybe the better modifications, and finally we can get an excellent curriculum for development of the students. I would like to thank Vice Chairman Aravinda Madam Garu for their valuable time spending and patient listening, and our director, with a lot of patience, he has prepared elaborately the academic council meeting minutes, and he has circulated to all the members, those who are present today. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your excellent inputs to the members of academic council. Now, the Professor S.V. Satyanarayana Garu, ex officio member, JNT University, for this academic council, and Sri Shashidhar Garu, university nominee for this academic council, who has given a lot of suggestions and in selecting the board of studies members for respective departments. Now, I thank you very much, sir, for your valuable inputs in all aspects to prepare good curriculum for all the departments. Next, the Dr. B.V. Subbarao Garu has given an excellent input, like latest developments in technologies like radar, technologies and stress management, particularly, which is nowadays an emerging point, because the students as well as the other community, every time they are feeling very stressed. So how to relieve stress? So this also we keep in mind while designing the curriculum of all the branches. Thank you very much for your valuable input, sir. Next, when it comes to Professor K. Ramakrishna Garu, he has given an excellent sessions in developing the curriculum and choice-based credit system and practical-oriented syllabus preparation. So we will definitely follow your suggestions, sir. Thank you very much for your inputs. And Dr. TV Suresh Kumar Garu, Director, Getam Quality IQAC and Getam University. He has given a very nice suggestions in this academic council meeting. So he told us and suggested us that practical based syllabus should be prepared. So definitely we will take this as a point, and while preparing the syllabus for all the departments, we give information to all the heads of the departments and the Board of Studies members to prepare this. Thank you, sir. Next, when it comes to Shobha Rani Madam, she has given an input that administrative skills as well as result analysis also has to be incorporated. Thank you very much, madam, for your valuable inputs. Next, when it comes to the directors of the institute, once again, and Dean Academics, Dean Student Affairs, Dean Information and Communication Technology of Adi Shankara Group of Institutions, then all the HODs and the participants who are and supporting staff members. You have given a lot of inputs and a lot of time you have spent. Thank you very much for patient listening and participation and giving good suggestions to we people so that we can prepare an excellent curriculum in forthcoming curriculum, R20 as well as R18. Thank you very much for each and every one. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mohan Garu.